started many years ago.
Years ago.
Yes, because many Italian doctors has just become here and has just arrived here, and we would like to continue this collaboration. We have been the possibility to see many treatments and to make a relation between Chinese medicine and our medicine. So it's a very important opportunity for us.
That it's a good way to treat the patient. And if they have some pain, then we can try, because we are not good like you, but we can try to treat